Right, guys, good evening. I'm just gonna do a quick video on Bitcoin, discussing what I'm seeing here, what my game plan is. I posted a lot of shit on Twitter today, but yeah, I was actually long and bullish, okay? But yeah, I want to share with you what my game plan right now is, okay? So first of all, let me start off with my previous positions, okay? So I was flat on Bitcoin during all of this, okay, only holding spots, and then started consolidating. And then the first trade I took in a while was a short, okay, shorting up here. So I layered orders up here above these equal highs, okay, overnight. And yeah, I woke up with 10 out of 12 were filled and we were in good profit. Okay, I held my short because I was targeting range lows, okay. And then I held all the way up here, and then we saw this, okay, and then we closed the hourly candle this strong up here. I closed my short and flipped long, okay. So this candle, right, we've seen that before, just a quick wick to trap late longers, people longing here, okay, but a strong buyback telling us that, yeah, buyers were clearly stepping in. And so I longed this, okay. First target was range high, and then this high, and then ultimately higher. Ended up closing that trade at break even, okay. Well, I took some out around here, but then I got stopped out for the rest of the position, so ended up not making any money on that one. And then I shorted around here again, okay, but then closed again after we swept this low, made some money on that, but nothing big, okay. And then I longed down here, okay. So that's the well, that was an amazing trade, right? So why did I long down here? We swept the key low, okay. So this move was clearly bearish. We deviated above the highs, dumped aggressively. We swept that key low and then got a pretty decent buyback, okay. Along with that, if we look at, sorry for that, okay, at the premium index, okay, was clearly in the red down here, telling us that spot was actually buying this dip versus futures and perps, right? So people, yeah, spot was bidding here, okay. So that's pretty damn bullish. And yeah, of course, along with that, we swept some key liquidity below this low and took out some key liquidation levels. So that's why I long down here. And then we just grinded up and then accelerated to the upside. Typical Bitcoin move to scare all of the shorts, okay, and then quickly dump and then a fast retrace. Yeah, without many dips, okay, so nobody can get in and just sense it from there, okay. So what are these blue levels? Okay, simply all of these highs, okay. So clean highs, clean draw liquidity, and as you can see, they have been pivotal. So this one lines up perfectly with our range high, okay. So once we got back above that, okay, clean break, yeah, I was simply targeting the next one, this one right here. And as you can see right now, funding is even going negative on some exchanges, okay. We clearly have still spot price that is higher than perp price. And whenever you have that at these kind of prices, I mean, that's just insanely bullish. So perps are shorting this while spot just keeps buying. So what I'm expecting now is just a cascade and just to trap all of the people shorting in this consolidation. I mean, in my opinion, they'll get wiped out, and we just see a big short squeeze all the way into yeah, mid 14Ks, okay. And then there, if I were to look for a short, that's where I would look for a short, so into 14 case. Okay, so that's the place, the moment when we took out this key high, okay, into a monthly order block. Well, you can't see it on this chart, but on the BitMEX chart and stuff you can. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting, to be honest. A big short squeeze to trap all the people shorting this, okay. And yeah, spot keeps buying, so in my opinion we go higher, okay. And here, if we see a retrace before taking 2K19 high, okay, and get into here, that's a fat long in my opinion, with a target up here, okay. But in my opinion you won't even get a dip. This will just straight up go for this high. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it short, this video. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.